Guys, good morning, everyone. So yeah, Roach Mulhun. Hi, Steve.
Hello,
how are you?
Good, and you?
I want to see your bed if you're making up your bed or no. So somewhere. Okay, I'm going to go rago somewhere. Kamu Roach Steve. And shower the Fernak Jonas. I know it's less of them, and this one is expensive though. So the boys, Roach Mulhun. This is where the boys slept. Let's see where the twin boys slept. So this was our bedroom for the night. So I really don't like the stairs. They're not really like to the par for me. So plates are actually like this. Yeah. Not bad. That's Khadija. Hi Khadija. We have a I like the water outside. There's a little river out there. Then Rijelamo. This is our fireplace. And then there's water giving us that nature vibe. You know us and nature, guys. Just throw us where there's nature and we'll survive. Yeah, so from the tented camps to these ones. Yeah. Alright. Let us love you and leave you. Let me show you the camera guy. Show us the camera guy. This is the camera guy. Woo! Safety comes first. Wear your mask, wash your hands, and sanitize. Woo! Bye. Bye, stop the video. Energy in the morning. Oh my God. Take me a picture there. Yeah. Oh. Bye. Bye. Stop taking a video.